I made okra soup, oilless okra soup, and eba for Taste of Motherland for NIROW and AFRIWAT. So,
don't know me, nothing to me. Don't need a shower, baby, I need a freak. Lick it like ice cream, as if you mean to be disgusting. It's nothing, chop my banana, one side I like the no stop.
okra is one nutritional vegetable that has a lot of health benefits. It has vitamin C, K, folate, and magnesium. And it helps with blood pressure. It helps to prevent cancer, diabetes, and a lot of.
Mama Sheba, come back on. Make me the start to the paragon.
Yes, very spicy, but of course for this purpose, it's going to be moderate enough so that everyone can enjoy. We cook it such a way that they won't become oil, but it's still good.
That's why I'm a jago. Start to the dance, I'm like I do. Go need to lago. I go show you say bounce and the lago. Cause I be city boy. And as I day for the street, they give me joy. Lamborghini boy.
I prepared catfish pepper soup. So we chose catfish because it has omega-3, which is good for our brain and our heart. The pepper soup is, I would say it's a starter for the Africans. You can eat it with anything, like white rice, yam.
Oh yeah, get dama. Oh yeah, get jello. Oh yeah, get jowo. Oh yeah, get oh yeah, get oh yeah, get.
Soup is this. If you have this is the name.
Ugly, but I'm not even that ugly. I'm a sexy, you understand? Girl all over the globe wanna up me, you understand?
Badass. You know.
Actually make the rice that we're having today. Usually back home would advise that if you have diabetes, if you are trying to watch your weight, it's very good for you to eat a lot of ripe plantain, meaning because it helps to lower your sugar level.
I'm unavailable. They know they see me. I'm unavailable. They know they see me. And I'm sorry for who won't be my matter. Sorry, I'm only human. So make nobody para. Say I carry.
And then I mentioned that it helps your libido as well. You know, yes, it helps you in the water room. Yes.
It is not I got to call only go. Day, your day, me a day for the day, girl, I'm unavailable. I'm unavailable. They know they see me. I'm unavailable. They know they see me. I'm unavailable. They know they see me. I'm unavailable. They know they see me.
Getting my life, I don't have no time, Shania. Come see me shining, got too many birds on my IG. I'm changing my life, oh, how my mama proud of me. She got me going, this friend took all my freedom. Cause I'm a big for Bella, slave for everyone, like good, go jealous, got a big banana. I'm a big for Bella, slave for everyone, like good, go jealous, got a big banana.
Seafood
You want it hot?
It's really nice. The fact that there's no oil in this is really cool.
Wonderful. This is really good.
Gives me that feeling of Nigeria.
That's saltiness.
Not too peppery.
Very yummy.
It's very
They know they see me. I'm unavailable. They know they see me.
Yeah, it's really lovely. It's not too salty. The flavors are just blended right. So yeah. This is so yummy, so good. It's really crunchy, nice, less salt, no oil. I'll try to make this at home. You know, it's really good.
I like it.
So I'm Sierra, I'm from Regional Waterloo Public Health, and I got to join NIROW and AFRIWAT today. We did some incredible cooking. I learned a lot of things. So we had a whole full house in the kitchen today. We cooked 3 different meals. We got our recipes for them. We talked about the nutrients in them. Everything had protein, everything had veggies. We had micronutrients, we had spices. It was fantastic. We got rid of the palm oil. I learned about substitutes to make things healthier, so that was fantastic. The food was amazing. I think my favorite was probably the okra. I got to experience the traditional Nigerian culture of using my hands, which was a really cool experience. I don't get to do that often. Probably the biggest difference with Western, we just threw the utensils out, and I liked that a lot. So yeah, it was amazing. Flavors, a lot of fish. I don't usually eat a lot of fish, and so that was a good exposure. So yeah, fantastic.
So shout out to NIROW and AFRIWAT
for collaborating to get this Taste of Motherland event together. Thanks to everyone who participated, who came. We're gonna be doing this more often, so watch out.
Yeah. Watch out!
The money low 'cause I don't fashion.